Welcome to All Seasons RV. I'm Jennifer Riddell. Here at All Seasons RV, our mission is to help you pave the way to new experiences while strengthening family bonds and creating endless memories. To make sure your RV experience is the best it can be, your new RV is thoroughly examined by a factory-trained and certified RV technician who completes a 52-item checklist testing all the systems and equipment. This includes the LP system, plumbing, water, electrical, furnace, air conditioning, roof, and seals. And the exterior and interior are thoroughly cleaned and inspected. You will also receive a new Deep Cycle battery and box, full LP tanks, and a gift certificate to our parts, accessories, and more store. We also want to make sure you're ready to camp. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a veteran, our technicians will thoroughly guide you through all the equipment, appliances, safety items, features, and systems, offering tips and tricks on how to maintain and use them. We will also confirm that you have the proper hitch equipment to tow your new RV safely down the road. We want you to enjoy your RV to the fullest. Not all RV dealerships are created equal. Price is what you pay, value is what you'll receive at All Seasons RV. We dare you to discover the difference. Get the service you expect. We're better, and we'll prove it.